In this video, I'm going to show you the simple tricks that will get you playing A major, hands separate, hands together, 1, 2, or more octaves with confidence right now. And we're not going to go through a bunch of boring fingering exercises because the best way to learn scales is just with a few simple tricks. So let's go ahead and dive in. We'll start with 1 octave in the right hand. Now most tutorials will say use fingers 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, watching for the C sharp, F sharp, and G sharp. We're gonna make it so much more simpler by thinking about finger groupings. A finger group is when you think about how many fingers play before a thumb goes under or a finger goes over. So to play A major in the right hand, you'll think group of 3, so 3 fingers, and then thumb goes under, group of 5. And then you just follow those groupings back. Group of 5, group of 3. You can also practice clustering the finger groups like this if it's helpful. Left hand is the same exact trick, just flipped. This time we'll start with a group of 5, so all 5 fingers, 3 crosses over for a group of 3, and then you follow that back. Group of 3, group of 5. Now to play hands together, you're going to focus on where the third fingers line up, and once again, with just a couple tricks, you can nail this right now. So to do 1 octave hands together, you're gonna focus on the first place where your third fingers line up, that's the C sharp, and then the hand that's ahead is going to cross the thumb, the trailing hand just keeps going. And then when your trailing hand runs out, 3 crosses, so the 3s line up once again. So we're really zeroing in on where those 3s line up. And then coming back, it's the same exact trick, except now the left hand is the leading hand and the right hand is the trailing hand. So once again, 3s line up, so now my left hand is the leading hand, so it will cross the thumb, right hand keeps going. This hand has run out of fingers, so 3 will cross over, next finger, and you're done. Now, what happens if you want to do more than 1 octave? There's another trick for that as well. So we do the same thing, focusing on where the 3s line up, except here where we would normally stop and do that 5th finger in the leading hand, our thumbs are going to line up here. Now this is sort of the bridge from 1 octave to the next. And the trick that I want you to remember here is whichever direction you're going, the trailing hand is going to cross with the 4th finger and the leading hand will just go to the next finger. That applies whichever direction you're going from the thumbs. So we did our first octave, thumbs line up, I'm going to cross with the 4th finger, and now I just use the same exact tricks I did with the first octave. So the 3s line up, leading hand crosses, trailing hand runs out, and then again focusing on the 3s coming back, thumbs in the middle, but now since I'm going downward and my right hand is the trailing hand, it will cross with 4, and again I just focus on the 3s, cross under, 3 crosses over, and that's it. And those tricks would apply to 3 or more octaves. So say I want to do 3 octaves, I focus on 3s, 3s, thumbs, 4 crosses, 3s, 3s, thumbs, 4 crosses, 3s, 3s, and then I just follow that coming back, 3s, 3s, thumbs, 4 crosses in the right hand, 3s, 3s, 4 crosses in the right hand, 3s, 3s, and A major. Couldn't be easier. Let me know if you found this helpful in the comments, and if you liked this tutorial, I think you'll really enjoy this one. This is where I go through the one and only finger exercise I really think you'll ever need. Check it out. I'd love to see you there. Thanks for watching.